Now that we got love, what are we gonna do with it?
BellaBT305 on Instagram.
Look at here now. Oh, Lord. Girl, I got my hair done. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to act. Anyway. So, I'm finna do a video about a new facial device I just got. Since my channel is going to be centered around giving you information about things like affordable products to take care of your skin, affordable ways to take care of your skin, and also affordable ways to take care of your health, whether it's detoxing, feminine health, along those lines. Mainly feminine health and skincare, which is already probably what you know me for if you on here because of Instagram. So we're gonna just put some visuals with a lot of the information we already kind of put out there and promote ourselves as. So I bought a new facial device off Amazon. Now you know your girl just became an esthetician. It's real, it's official. I finished school, it's done. So I just want to start more educational videos. You know, I'm not some expert, I just finished school, but I don't mind going over the things I've learned and talking to y'all about it. And also we're going to have a skincare line coming out soon, so we can discuss the products, why they will be effective in your life, and why they will be valuable to you. Also, the products will be very much affordable. You won't have to pay like 80 bucks for no tightening skin cream. Like, trust me, it's overrated, okay? So we're definitely gonna have some good stuff coming soon when it comes to that. However, this video we're gonna talk about a device I just got off of Amazon. Now, there's many devices on Amazon. Many things that come at you like, whoa, what should I get? What should I do? What do I need? So that's another purpose that we can fulfill in your life. You just confused, you don't know what to get for your skin issues, what to do, what will work. I generally trust reviews on Amazon, so I mean, if it got good reviews, you can just about trust it. That's what I look at. And now that I kind of have a little more insight on the whole field of skincare, maybe that adds to it a bit too. But even prior to that, I would consider Amazon reviews. So this one had pretty good reviews, and it was only $20. It's a did I say what it is, sis? Whoa, I done opened it already. I wanted to show you the front of the box. It's called, according to them, a vacuum suction device. You know, call it what you want, but if you were to go to your esthetician's office and get a facial, this would be called a hydrofacial. It's considered like a deluxe, you know, service, additional service, something that wouldn't be like just a basic situation. You would it would definitely be extra in that sense. But just in case you do not regularly go to an esthetician, which would be great, you know, and even if you go to an esthetician, you still need aftercare. You need to take care of your skin, period. This is good for you, for me, for everyone. So the side look, it came with 4 pieces, 4 heads. This is the microdermabrasion head, which is like my favorite. I just couldn't even believe for $20 it came with one. That was a major shock. It has about 4 levels. And it's rechargeable, which is like, oh my god, you don't have to worry about batteries. Okay, so yeah, it has the microdermabrasion tip, which is, I still can't even believe it has that. And then it has one for the oval tip. It's anti-aging and wrinkling. So that one is 4 according to them. And then it has a big circle and a small circle. According to them, the big circle is for the T-zone, and the small circle is for areas that the big one can't get in. So who is this for? This is for all skin types, if you were to ask me. It's for everyone, because everyone needs to exfoliate. No one is exempt from exfoliation. I personally do not like sugars and scrubs. I mean, on my other videos, you saw me using the ultrasonic shovel, and I was saying how I prefer to exfoliate with that over scrubs. I just got a loofah not a loofah bar, but a loofah, I guess a loofah bar. But it's just 100% loofah. It's not soap attached to it. So I just got a loofah, and I don't even like loofahs that much, but I like this one because this particular one, when I wet it was a little more manageable, because I feel like loofahs are hard too, and a little bit too hard for me because I have normal to dry type of skin in my opinion. So I just feel like putting something so rough on my skin, it dries it dramatically, and sometimes it even hurts to put all that on there. Like, it's a mess. So yeah, but I do have a loofah in my bathroom right now, and when I wet it, it's a lot more usable and manageable. So I use it every now and then, because you know you're supposed to exfoliate a couple times a week. You cleanse and everything else every day. But we'll talk about how to do a facial another week, another video. And I'll actually physically use this in another video. I just want to introduce it to you in case you want to go get it. It's a good look. It already got good reviews, so if you want to buy it based on that. However, I will do a physical video, and I'm getting makeup everywhere. But oh, and I did my own makeup, if you're wondering. You know, I don't proclaim to be the makeup queen, like I said, but girl, I be trying. These lashes looking like they're about to come off, but I be trying. But yeah, yeah, so yeah. In my opinion, I think this is a good buy, honestly. I just think it's a good purchase. I mean, the microdermabrasion can get rid of dead skin. It says it removes blackheads, and I'm assuming the circles will do that through the suction. The T-zone area is like the bridge of your nose and under your eyes, kind of like your sinuses, so to speak. And those areas tend to collect more sebum and produce more sebum than the rest of the face. So it tends to be, I guess, more bacteria there, more buildup there, more blackheads, more bumps and acne and whatever. Especially for me, honestly. Personally, well, this makeup is on. But usually, right up in here, honey, ooh, girl, it is unmanageable. It is ridiculous. And it's been that way for years. But now that I am an esthetician, I've been learning a lot. It's been better. But that's from hard work. You know, a lot of people look at my skin, oh my god, your skin's glowing, it's so beautiful. You don't even need makeup. It's hard work. If you knew how obsessed I was with making products and using stuff on my face and taking care of my skin, you would be like, oh, okay, yeah, I understand. And probably the average Joe Schmo ain't even gonna do all of that. But it takes a lot of work for me, probably because I'm just, you know, overdoing it, because I'm making products, so I'm trying to see how they work. But even still, like, I gotta take extra care of my skin, because that hyperpigmentation will sneak up on me. Like, I find myself with all types of black spots and all type of uneven skin. Like, it'll pop up. But anyway, I don't want to ramble on all day and all night. I mean, this device is a good look. If you're looking for something to add to your routine on a like 2 to 3 times a week basis, I think it's a good look. Also, the ultrasonic shovel, I talked about it in another video. I mean, I can't give you a reference on where to buy it, but they're on Amazon too. Check out the reviews on Amazon. The one I got, I love it, but I got it from like a vendor, like a supplier, so they're not like the regular person you just get it from. But we never gonna sell equipment. I was thinking about it, but I'm like, nah, I'm straight. So we ain't gonna sell any equipment, but I can definitely refer you to some good ideas and explain what they use for, because a lot of times we see stuff online and it's like, do I need that? What would they do for me? And it don't really, you don't know, so you just keep it moving. But you know, if you have something you've seen, you want me to explain it, you want me to talk about it, you want me to see what it's looking like, I'll talk about it and kind of go over it if, you know, if needed. I'll talk about different things, like different products that you want to know about. Like, what is this? Like, what should I do? Like, hyaluronic acid. Right now, that's like the go-to most popular thing in skincare right now. Even we're going to be having a serum coming out real soon, so we're going to talk about that in one video, and I'll actually do this facial in one video and kind of go more in depth. But so that's it for this video, y'all. I just wanted to bring y'all some content this week because I've been slacking. I've been recording and deleting so much stuff and trying to get my life together over here, working on a cell phone, working with hardly no equipment and no stuff. But it's coming, y'all. It's coming. Trust me, it's coming. However, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like on the video, go through the videos, give me your thoughts. Visit our website, www. I don't know how many W's I just said. www.bellabt.com. Subscribe to our email list while you on there. Take a peek at the store. See what you need, see what you don't need. Skincare line coming soon. And much more coming soon. I know I spoke on some updates and announcements that'll be coming soon. Those are coming even sooner. I said before the month is out, but it's already the 21st. So if not before the month, out early next month. Maybe some 4th of July sale. The new, we're going to have new packaging for the V-Steam. It's going to be great. It's going to make it a lot less stressful for me to make it, which is less stressful for y'all to buy it, because the prices can be better, right? So I already found all of V-Steam sale going on right now. You might want to catch that. I don't think it'll ever go below $5, but I've been testing out the $5 sale. It seems to be going good, so I can definitely do that here and there now that I have new things in place where it won't be so much stress producing the products. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, BellaBT305. Subscribe to the YouTube. Holla at your girl.
BellaBT305 on Instagram.